has your forecast. Good morning, Brianne.
Good morning, Amanda. Yes, wind and rain is going to be the name of the game throughout this morning. We are continuing to see this low pressure system coming through, as well as that warm front sticking around for today, which is why we're going to see some warmer temperatures. We have some wind warnings in effect throughout this morning. We have some rainfall warnings in effect as well. So those should be clearing as we head later on into the day. But as we take a look here, we are seeing highs of 10 in Fredericton, 12 in Charlottetown, and 11 your high in Halifax. Gusting winds as we head throughout this morning. Those will start to taper off around the noon hour, but we could still be contending with that throughout the course of today as this low pressure system works itself out of our region. Now, taking a look here at our current satellite and radar, we're seeing that rain continuing coming through. We're seeing a little bit of flurry action in northern parts of New Brunswick. And we have some watches and warnings to tell you about. So as we take a look here at what our watches and warnings are for today, we have that special weather statement, diminishing today periods of rain and strong winds as that cold front moves in. So as we see those temperatures drop drastically, that's when we'll start to see those periods of rain and winds continuing throughout this system. That wind warning in effect this morning throughout the course of this afternoon. Gusting winds 90 kilometers per hour, except higher winds in the Inverness County, as well as over in Newfoundland. And then a rainfall warning, expecting an additional 5 to 15 milliliters of rain throughout the course of this morning. So those are things to take into effect. We have a special weather statement as well, because we're going to see significantly higher temperatures throughout the course of today in Labrador. They're going to drop drastically as we head into tomorrow, which could mean some flash freezing in effect. So do take that into consideration if you do have to get out on the roads tonight or tomorrow, because that significant drop in temperature is really going to impact the roads as well as the temperatures as we head throughout the day. Watching this system, it moves pretty quickly out of our region for today, bringing mostly a mix of sun and cloud throughout the afternoon for New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. Could see some scattered flurries as well as some rain hanging out and lingering throughout the course of overnight into the early hours of Friday morning. But most of the system is going to clear out, bringing with it, again, those cooler temperatures, because we are seeing that cold front coming right behind this low pressure system. So for the next 24 hours, the majority of that rainfall is going to be along that Bay of Fundy coastline in parts of western Nova Scotia, as well as over in the Sheet Harbor area, and then into Newfoundland. So we're going to continue to see some of that rain. We'll contend with those winds as well. Not a whole lot of snowfall buildup, just some trace amounts coming right behind this low pressure system. But again, those winds are going to be impacting the region until we head out a little bit later into the afternoon and early evening.